Hi guys. All right, I'm back for subtraction lesson number 3. This will be the last lesson for subtraction, and I am sending mom and dad a game that they can print out, and then you can play with them or your sister or your brother. It is a Lego game. This is what the game board looks like, and then there is a spinner to cut out, and then you'll need 2 paper clips. So you want to hook the one paper clip onto the other paper clip. You want to open the one paper clip and poke a hole through the spinner. And then you should be able to spin your paper clips for taking turns. All right. So for this game, it would be best to have Legos. If you don't have Legos, that is okay. You'll just need 2 little game pieces to move on the board. If you do have Legos, this is also going to be a game for telling more or less, and also talking about height and how tall something is. So if you have Legos, you'll be able to participate with that. If you don't have Legos, that's okay. You can use something else. Okay, the board is going to be telling you to take so many that you have, or you're going to lose some that you have. So let's say you're using Cheerios and you land on take 3. Then you would get to take 3 Cheerios and put them by you. Okay, if you land on lose 2, then you would have to take away, put back 2 of your Cheerios. Okay, so we'll go through the game and so you can see how it is played. So I have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle and a pirate guy for my 2 players. All right, so first spin, I got a 4 on the spinner. So we'll move the pirate guy 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it says lose 2. I don't have any yet, so I can't do that. All right, then the Ninja Turtle would spin 6. So I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now I landed on take 1. So I'm going to take 1 Lego. All right, if you have Legos. And then I'm going to stand up my turtle on the Lego. All right, then it's the pirate guy's turn. 2. 1, 2. Now the pirate guy also landed on take 1. So I'm adding 1 Lego to him. All right, so now if you can see, both of my little guys are the same height because they're both standing on 1 Lego. All right, so now it is the turtle's turn. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I landed on take 3. So I get to add 3 Legos to him. All right. Now, if I hold them up to each other, you can definitely see the turtle has more, and he is taller than the pirate. All right, so now let's see where the pirate gets to go. Oh, he only got to move 1. Now that space that I landed on says move back 2. So I'm going to go back 1, 2. I had to move back. I subtracted. Now it says take 3. So now I get to add 3. to the pirate guy. So now if the pirate guy, I added 3 to, like I added to the turtle guy, now they are the same height. All right, so now it's Turtle's turn. And he got a 1. And it says take 1. So we'll add 1 more to him. And it's Pirate's turn. 2. 1, 2. Now again, I landed on move back 2. So we have to go back 2. And guess what that space says? We were just on it. Take 3. So we're going to take 3 from the pile, which means we add 3 more. All right, now who's going to be taller? The pirate guy is taller. Hopefully he can get ahead of that space. All right, Turtle gets 3. 1, 2, 3. Now what he landed on says lose 1. So that means I have to take away 1 and put it back in the pile. Now it's Pirate's turn. He got a 1. And he landed on take 1. So we get to add to him because we're taking 1 from the pile. All right. So I think we get the idea of how we play the game. If you're using Legos, talk about who's getting taller, who's getting shorter, who has more, who has less. So you continue spinning and either adding or losing pieces until somebody makes it to the finish line. Whoever gets to the finish line first is, of course, the winner. But then again, you can also talk about who has more. If you're not using Legos, if you're not using something that you can stack, then you can count. If you're using Cheerios, count to see how many's in your pile compared to whoever you're playing with. Talk about who has more and who has less, right? You can do it that way. All right, so I hope you enjoy playing. I hope you get to print out the game and play it and have fun with it and practice your subtracting and your adding. Our next set of lessons is going to have to do with measuring. All right, that's another reason I chose this game, because you're talking about tall and short, which are 2 measurement words that we're going to learn. All right, so have fun with the game, and I'll see you next time.